contented with my life here, and
Naging emosyonal si Andy Eigenman nang ikwento niya ang huling video na pinanood ng kanyang pumanaw na ina mula sa cellphone nito. Pumanaw ang veteran actress na si Jacqueline Jose, Mary Jane Gok sa totoong buhay, dahil sa heart attack noong 2 ng Marso taong 2024. Siya ay 60 anyos, anak ni Jacqueline si Andy sa pumanaw na ring aktor na si Mark Hill. Ibinahagi ni Andy sa kanyang latest YouTube vlog na nabuksan niya ang cellphone ng ina at nakita ang huling activities ni Jacqueline bago ito pumanaw. Naluha si Andy habang ikinukwento kung ano ang nakita niya sa phone ng nanay niya. "I am going through a difficult time in my life lately," bungad ni Andy sa YouTube channel ng kanyang pamilya, ang Happy Islanders, noong April 3. "My nanay, she passed away and things have not been easy. But she has always been the biggest Happy Islanders fan." Hanggang sa huli, nasaksihan mismo ni Andy na lagi siyang nasa isip ng ina bago ito pumanaw. "I was able to check her phone. We saw that in her YouTube. The last video she watched was our last Happy Islanders video," pagbabahagi ni Andy na umiiyak. Pagpapatuloy ni Andy, isa sa dahilan kung bakit gumawa siya ng sariling YouTube channel ay para magsilbing pag-update sa ina tungkol sa buhay nilang mag-anak sa Siargao. Sa Siargao na piniling manirahan ni Andy kasama ang kanyang partner na si Filmar Alipayo, at ang kanilang 2 anak na sina Lilo at Koa, pati na ang anak ng aktres sa dating karelasyong si Jake Ejercito, si Ellie. "The whole purpose of me creating that vlog was also because being away from my family, having the Happy Islanders was the best way for me to keep her updated with my life here." Sabi ni Andy ukol sa ina, "She's been my biggest fan with everything that I do and she loved watching Happy Islanders and our videos all the time." Dagdag niya, "So, anyway, I just wanted you to know that although things have not been easy, I'd like to focus on spending time with my family and focusing on the good things, on what's there and making the most out of our time together. Because losing my nanay at such an unexpected time is proof that you don't know what tomorrow brings." Sa naturang YouTube video ay ipinakita rin ni Andy ang naging bonding time nila ng kapatid na si Gwen Gok, anak ni Jacqueline sa The Don guitarist na si Kenneth Ilagan. Sabi ni Andy, "Me spending time with my family and my youngest brother, who is the only other sibling that I have with my mom. He's been based in the States because he's in college there, and now he's here for the first time visiting me in Siargao. It's sad that he didn't get to come with our nanay, but we are going to make the most of our time, nonetheless." Ibinahagi rin ni Andy sa video na walang social media accounts ang kanyang bunsong kapatid.